Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be unboxing the reproduction of the monster high doll Spectra, as you can see here. She is the first G1 monster high doll I have gotten brand new. So let's get her out of box. Okay, so here she is out of box. I'll start by showing you her little pet ferret. I don't remember what it said his name was, but why is this not up there? This is him. He's translucent, like a gradient to transparent. I do think the fangs in his face look a bit weird, but I like the translucentness. She has this bag that's very slightly translucent, but you can't put anything in it. It is pretty though. And then for the doll, her hair was not crunchy when I took it out, which is not normal because most of the dolls I unbox are rainbow high and some of them are like all crunch. But here she is with her makeup, and I think that part there, yeah, there's a bit of shine right below her eyebrow. She has these earrings and fun necklace. This is a bracelet. I thought it was molded on, but it is not. The mesh here is glittery, which is fun, and she has a belt, and these are two separate pieces. And then she has some really fun translucent shoes, but I'm probably going to have her without shoes because I like the transparent legs. And actually, I'm going to be comparing her to a G1 Monster High Dot Dead Gorgeous Spectra I found at a doll show. Now obviously the hair, makeup, and hand details are going to be different because they're two different doll releases. But one thing I did notice is, so this one, her leg joints are really loose. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but they're really loose. And this one, her leg joints are not. I thought that all monster high dolls had loose leg joints, but maybe it's just the old ones. And she has the molded on hand details, which is why I thought this was going to be molded on. And then to compare the leg transparentness, I'm just going to take off one of each shoe. Oh man, the new ones are hard to take off. There we go. So these are the transparent legs. The new one's leg is more transparent. It stops at about here, where the old one is about here. I actually thought the old one was going to look more transparent because of paint fading, but I guess not. Anyway, the eyes are almost the same color, but I think the new one's is a bit more vibrant, probably because it's, you know, new. Anyway, that is all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. Bye.